Today we're talking about elephants. There are currently 3 species of elephants, including Asian elephants, African bush elephants, and African forest elephants. There are 3 subspecies of Asian elephants, mainly being Indian, Sumatran, and Sri Lankan. The conservation status of an African elephant is critically endangered, and for the Asian elephant is endangered. Elephants are considered to be the heaviest land animal. Baby elephants consume milk from ages 3 to 4. Elephants are often seen having dust baths to prevent sun damage. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.